Hello guys and welcome back to another trade recap. Today it is Tuesday the 20th of January and I lost $140 on my two Express accounts and I made $327 on my Alpha Fund account. And I'll walk you guys through all the trades I took and why I took them basically. So let's come into the first trade. I'm gonna do this in top step because that's where I have all the things written out. However, this first trade I only took on my Alpha account. So this first one, it was based on this 15-minute RB CE right here. I do think, yeah, ES took the high, so we had a bearish SMT. This we had taken London high. My draw was lower. So yeah, we have the CE right there, which we basically reacted off of, and also 1 hour, I think, 1 hour rejection block as well, which we reacted off of the CE of that one as well. And then we get this 5-minute close. So right here we didn't have any like precision zone that I could enter off of. We also reacted off of 7.9, but we had no precision zone, so I couldn't put out a limit. So I was just waiting for a reaction basically. And here we get a solid reaction down in the 2-minute. We don't get a good entry, and in the 3-minute, I don't think we get one either. Nope, not really. So what I enter off of then basically is the 5-minute rejects very well from the zone and closes below this RB and below the 10 a.m. or at the 10 a.m. basically. So I enter once we make that 5 minutes close. And this was such a bad trade, to be honest. Very big SL, like to get okay RR, I would have to aim very low, and overall a very bad trade. Also, since we don't have any structure here. Yes, ES has taken all these highs, but we don't have any good structure that we are reacting off of. And we had not yet touched through the open as well, so very bad, or not a very, very bad trade, but a bad trade. Should not have taken it. Only took it on the Alpha and de-risked. Yeah, but yeah, shouldn't have taken that trade anyway. Very bad. So then here comes the two trades I took on my Express, which also weren't that great. We came into through the open, previous through the open and today's through the open lined up perfectly. We were just above 7.9 of the entire range. We had the 1 hour Trinity block and a 30-minute Trinity block. And yeah, this low acting as resistance. We have a 5-minute fair value gap and stuff, so which we're reacting down from. So here I have a nice zone. I'm just waiting for a nice rejection, which we get here in the 2-minute. I enter actually off of this first rejection. So the 2-minute closes well below, and I enter like right there. I think I got a little bit of a better entry because I had a 7-point stop by now. So I must have gotten my entry like right there. Yeah, that was it. Okay, so I entered like this once I saw this 2-minute rejection, and that we were once I saw this 2-minute rejection, I entered and I got stopped out instantly basically. I de-risked heavy though, like too much. I was risking $30. I didn't have time to calculate how much I was risking, so I just took 2 contracts, and yeah, this was just so stupid of me. Why even take a trade if you're gonna risk $30? And this was a pretty bad trade either way, so should not have taken this. Then I took a re-entry after here, so we re-sweep the high. Then we make this down close in the 1 minute right here, and I saw this as assist and that we were breaking to the downside. I wanted to go continue down, so I got entry like right there, and this was also a very bad trade. So bad RR and big stop loss, and overall just a bad trade. I think we had we had a nice 2-minute rejection from the zone, because I could see that we were rejecting very nice off the zone, but the delivery just wasn't there. And the problem with this one is, first of all, I get a very low entry, I basically FOMO entry, and second of all, the price action here is so bad. Like, why would I try to trade when we have all of this barcode? We need like some final clear manipulation. That's very, very important to have clear final manipulation, which we didn't have here since we had relative equal highs right here and no SMT as well. So very bad trade. I should definitely not have taken any of these trades. Got stopped out and then it kind of played out. But still very bad trade and should not have taken it. Because the thing is here, I had patience all along. After open, I had patience. I waited. So why do I wait the entire like 1 hour I sit and wait and have patience to just fucking take these shit trades anyway? No reason. So I had good patience, but then I FOMO entered here, took a bad trade here. So yeah, very bad. Then I took this last trade, which I took on my alpha account, and here we have this internal low, which we sweep out. We get a fake out up first, so go up and then we compress price and then go down. We re-sweep. We have a 5-minute fair value gap right here. 5-minute fair value gap. We also have a 15-minute fair value gap here. And we have previous day 10 a.m. which we react off of, and today's 10 a.m. And draw, we just edged Asia high up here, which we didn't take, so my draw was higher. So here in the 2 minutes is basically where I saw this. So we make the resweep, and then the 2 minute closes within this within this rejection block, within the C of that one, and we then close above all of my key opens, which I want to see get respected. So basically when I see this I enter. However, I got a pretty bad entry. I think I got an entry like right here, and that was just solely because I was doing my analysis on Top Step X here, so, and I had to switch add the contracts and stuff and then enter, so I got a little bit of a late entry, and that was just bad by me. I should have gotten an entry like right here, should have entered right when that candle closed, which as you can see changes the RR very much. But yeah, we have 10 a.m. the final resweep, very clear. We sweep this internal low, 5-minute fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap. I think we have something else as well, maybe. We have this 30-minute Trinity block, which we basically react off of. And yeah, this old highs, which now acts as support. And that was basically it, I think. Very solid trade. And yeah, this Trinity block acting as support as well. So yeah, just a very nice zone to bounce off of, and we got a good reaction. So we did not have an SMT of any SMT, so it is not an A+, but definitely a A long, I would say A rated long. However, I did mess up here again with the partial, so basically pretty bad day for me. I took a partial off right there when we came into that 5-minute rally gap and this 0.5 of the entire range, and like, yeah, we could react from here, but my draw is higher very clearly, so why the fuck would I take off 1 out of 4 contracts here when I'm very certain that price is gonna go up? Like, it's just very, very stupid. Then I take 1 off here since we came into the CE of the 5-minute rejection block right here, and this is kind of valid, to be honest. Kind of valid, but because we got a good reaction down from it, but like, yeah, this is probably like a zone we're gonna get a small rejection down from, but it's not gonna stop us from our doll. Doll is higher, so why would we go here and then just come straight down? Also, ES was a lot weaker at the time, as you can see. Where are we? As you can see here, ES was a lot weaker, so I didn't have anything to worry about really. So it's a like okay zone to take partials, but kind of an unnecessary partial. And then I had full TP here. I took 1 off here basically just because I didn't want to get edged. Price had been edging a lot this today and not taking liquidity like right here. So basically just want to take some off. I had my trail stop loss to there with my last contract, which got stopped out, and it was quite a good trail stop, to be honest. But you need to take off this trail and possibly even this trail, and which then would have led me to, I can have my full TP here, do not have to aim for Asia, take this low hanging fruit and have a little bit better of entry, still have very good RR, and yeah, so a lot to learn from today. This was the best trade of the day in my opinion. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.